Hi, I'm Julie from Peaceful Place Organizers. I'd like to talk about another step along the journey towards getting organized for life that a lot of people seem to take, and that is getting help from their BFF. We'll call her Tracey. Okay, so what happens is Tracey's house is beautiful and she's really organized and she doesn't have too much stuff. And Tracey is, she's not like your sister Ann. She's your BFF. She's your friend. She's not going to come out and judge you. But, there's limits to friendship. So usually Tracey's idea of helping you get organized is something like this, like maybe after Pilates class on a Saturday, she'll come over, she'll get there around like 11 in the morning, or maybe later on in the afternoon after she's run some errands, like 3 o'clock. And she's happy to take all the spices out of the cabinet and maybe, get rid of some old ones and wipe them off and then consolidate some of them and put them back in the cabinet so they look pretty. And then she's going to want to crack open a bottle of wine with you. Like that's kind of what Tracey's idea of helping you get organized is. And so that's fine. I mean, it's better to have organized spices than not, I suppose. But Tracey's really not going to be there for the long haul for a basement or a garage or an overstuffed closet. So thanks, Tracey, for your help, but it's really no substitute for hiring a professional organizer, in which case it will get done.